Hi everyone and welcome again to Advanced English Insights. In this video, we'll explore 5 commonly used idioms. We will discuss their meanings, provide examples of how they are used in context, and test your understanding with a fun quiz. By the end of this session, you'll be able to incorporate these idioms into your own speech and writing. Let's get started and dive into the world of idiomatic expressions. Number 1. Take with a grain of salt. To view something with skepticism or doubt. Not completely believe something that you are told because you think it's unlikely to be true. Example: take his advice with a grain of salt, he often exaggerates. Number 2. Burn the midnight oil. Means to stay awake late at night to work or to study. Example: she had to burn the midnight oil to finish the report on time. Number 3, cut corners. To do something in the easiest, quickest, or cheapest way, often compromising quality. Example: don't cut corners on this project. Quality is important. Number 4, hit the nail on the head. To be exactly right about something. Example: you hit the nail on the head with your analysis of the problem. Last idiom we have today: once in a blue moon, means very rarely. Example: we only go out to eat once in a blue moon. Now, let's test your understanding with this quiz. Complete these sentences with the correct idiom. We go hiking. It's not something we do very often. The correct answer is once in a blue moon. We go hiking once in a blue moon means very rarely. Next, despite the complicated instructions, he and completed the task perfectly. Correct answer: hit the nail on the head. Let's move on to the next one. To meet the deadline, she had to and worked until 3 a.m. And the correct answer: burn the midnight oil. Last one. And this is the correct answer: cut corners. That wraps up our lesson on advanced idioms. We covered 5 idioms and how to use them. Keep practicing to get more comfortable with them. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you find this helpful. See you in the next video.